Ni hao, hello, kia ora. I'm Tehmus Mistry and I'm based in New Zealand. I hope all of you are having a wonderful time in Thailand. In New Zealand and Australia, we have come to an end of a very interesting year. I say interesting because the year 2019 was supposed to be a very big year for the Chinese payment industry in New Zealand. 2019 is the year of special tourism cooperation between China and New Zealand. We were going to have a lot of Chinese tourists come and visit New Zealand, and there was going to be a lot of growth between China and New Zealand. However, the current situation between China and US has had a big impact, not only on New Zealand and Australia, but to the rest of the world. Here in New Zealand, instead of seeing a 15% growth in Chinese tourist numbers and big spending by Chinese tourists, we experienced for the first time in 9 years of continuous growth a drop of 15% in Chinese tourist numbers. What is really more interesting is the fact that even though all these numbers are going down, nobody is really too worried because everybody knows New Zealand economy is doing well and the drop in number of Chinese tourists will start improving in the next 10 to 15 months and we will see growth in payments coming through. I personally am very excited because I see huge growth opportunities for AttractPay in New Zealand, Australia, and in Southeast Asian countries like Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam. To achieve this growth, our focus must be on two things. One, good technology solutions that we can provide to a customer, which gives them the ability to accept payments easily, offline and online. Two, to build relationships with not just big companies who can be our clients and give us a lot of money, but also banks and financial institutions. Because being a payments company, we cannot just offer Alipay and WeChat. We also need to offer our customers other payment schemes like UnionPay, Visa, MasterCard, and other local mobile payment wallets. Many economists around the world are predicting that next year, 2020, will be a difficult year for the economy. However, there is a famous expression in English: when the going gets tough, the tough get going. Meaning, when the situation becomes difficult, the strong will work harder to meet the challenge. So, from my perspective, I see 2020 as a year where we can have good growth in our team, in our systems, and in our processes so that we can achieve the growth potential that is available to us. So, by working smarter and, of course, harder, and delivering good quality services to our customers, we can be one of the top payment companies in the regions we operate in. I hope you all have a good conference and a great 2020. I end by saying challenges are what makes life interesting, and overcoming them makes life meaningful. 再见。